Hello, my name is Gavin and I'm an acoustic consultant with a small company based in Bristol. We advise various clients on acoustic issues relating to buildings and the environment. For buildings, we help the architect ensure the walls have sufficient sound insulation and can advise on the intelligibility of speech in theatres and how music will sound in concert halls. We also help ensure that developments which make a noise, which could be anything from nightclubs to wind farms, are not too noisy. I've got a degree in Engineering Acoustics and Vibration, and this was from the Institute of Sound and Vibration Research at Southampton University. There's not that many places that can do acoustics. I did not know what I was going to be an acoustic consultant when I was young, but I was interested in music and good at maths, so somehow I ended up at Southampton. I thought the course was actually a bit disappointing at first because I was more interested in music, and it turned out that Southampton's recording studio was just really a place where they played people samples of traffic noise and then asked them how annoying they were in practice. However, the job can be interesting, and it gets us into lots of different areas, from learning about the ear and human biology and the psychology of noise and nuisance to data processing enormous data sets of wind turbine noise samples, and even measurements of toilets flushing in theatres. My job involves working with other people and trying to explain the importance of acoustic issues. We also work with problems where people have forgotten to think about acoustics and there are complaints. Most of my day is in the office. Sometimes we go out to make measurements. Sometimes this has to be done at night and we have to be flexible. During the lockdown, we've tried to do more modelling of noise, and we can do that for traffic noise and wind farm noise. Most of the work is charged by the hour, so there's always a pressure to get things done to earn a living. We work on several projects at once, and so there's always a problem where people turn around and want everything done at once. I'm just going to stop this now and try and show you some of our equipment. Okay, so here we've got just a model of a wind turbine. I spend a lot of my time looking at wind turbine noise. And we've got a tapping machine which drops little hammers on the floor to simulate footstep noise on timber floors, or any floors really. I'm going to turn that on now. It makes a bit of a racket. That's enough of that. And there's a sound level meter with a windshield, and this thing here is it's called a dodecahedron loudspeaker. So it's got 12 loudspeakers, and they're arranged so we can project sound equally in all directions. We use that for testing theatres and concert halls and the like.